If you ever got a pay rise and you've been excited for the very first week or two, and in about 2 to 3 months after, you've been wondering, where is all those extra money gone? This video is for you, because I've been there every single year. The same circle, new salary, but the account still stay empty. That's why in this video I'm going to show you exactly where is your salary disappearing and why earning more, it won't fix it until you won't understand this simple principle. And I know that because unfortunately I used to live in that circle for many years back in the days. And that's why I'm going to show you 3 simple things that have been quietly eating my salary without me even noticing that. The first trap, I call it a status trap. And here is what no one else is talking about when it's coming to pay rise. The moment you know that the pay rise is coming a month, 2 before even, your brain straight away start thinking differently, start coming and say, hey dude, you can afford more because you're gonna earn more very soon. And that don't have anything to do with you planning, budgeting. It's just simply because you know that the number gonna go up very soon. And that's what it called the lifestyle creep. Doesn't matter, you might be earning a decent salary or very good salary, but you will be still finding yourself barely scratching the surface from first to first because of that. When I start earning more, when that new pay rise was coming every single year, I just didn't sit down and plan what to do with those extra money, how to maybe invest them or save them or something. I just start buying things. Jordan brand clothes, of course the latest phone, doesn't matter if that makes sense or not, doesn't matter if I need it or not, I was just upgrading because hey, I got a pay rise. Then going as well to a gym. What for to go to just a local gym and pay 20 quid when I can afford to go and pay 60, 70, 80 pounds for Virgin Gym or something like this, you know? And then we come into the food, a topic that it's very embarrassing, and to be honest I shouldn't really talk about that, because if my parents will know that, they would bloody slap me that I wouldn't know what's my name after. When I was earning okay, I was making sure that I cook enough so I won't waste, because in my home it was always cooked and we was eating. There was no such a stuff like throwing food, yeah? Because food is something precious. Today we have, tomorrow we might not have. That's why my parents was always telling and was always doing this way, that if there was something left, they was making sure that it's eaten. They will never ever throw you the food. That's it, period. But when I started earning better, I stopped that. I cooked yesterday, I ate today, and there's still something left. Okay, tomorrow I'm gonna buy a fresh one. I'm not gonna keep that for the third day, because for what? I can afford it. My mom will come and slap me like a crazy. And none of those was like a big massive decisions, nothing like this. It was just simply that I could afford it, you know? Why not to enjoy what you're earning? My salary was going up every year, but as well my spending was following that salary automatically, not even thinking about it. And that is just a first trap that I fell into. The second one is even more sneaky, more cheeky, because it's not about what you choose to spend on, it's those silent bills that you forgot about quietly increasing without you even noticing that or paying attention to that. The second trap was the invisible upgrades. We already have some bills, but they are quietly increasing. Nothing special, nothing crazy. £1, £2, £5 a month. This way that you won't be bothered to check, you won't even notice them probably behind the enemy line. So at some stage in my life in England, I used to be with a Sky Broadband. I went for them because I got a bundle of TV, internet and the phone. We agreed for a price and so on. At one stage, I checked my bank account and I seen Sky Broadband bill. And I was like, but we agreed for, let's say, £30 a month. Why am I paying £40 or 45? I went log into to the website, then I check my package, and suddenly I have Sky Sports channels without me asking, without me noticing, nothing. Why? Because then when I went through my emails, yes, they said they're offering me a free sports channel, which one you can watch it for a month or two, and then if you're not happy, just simply cancel it. In the bunch of emails I was getting every single day, it just went unnoticed. I didn't see it, I didn't pay attention. I said, okay, yeah, that's fine, don't worry. I will check it for a month as it's for free, and then after a month I'm gonna remember to cancel it. You know what happened? 4 months after, I'm checking why I'm paying extra 10-15 pounds on top of my usual bill. Yeah, here's the answer. They send you the email, they told you everything, you just couldn't be bothered to pay attention, and that's how they sneakily charging you extra. £2 here, £5 there, your broadband gonna go up £5 a month, your phone bill gonna go to £3 a month. Individually, it doesn't look scary because £2 here, £5 there. But when you're gonna actually add all that stuff, every month suddenly you're paying £30-40 even more. At the end of the year, you may be paying extra £200-300. Why? Because I just couldn't be bothered to check. So all those invisible upgrades are real. First, we're having the top one, the lifestyle upgrade, stuff that you clearly can see. But then we have the bottom one, the existing bills you are already paying, and they sneakily adding up as well, and they both adding those little costs, those few pounds here, few pounds there, but at the end of the month they become a massive amount. Which bring me to my third point, and this one probably hit me the hardest, because that's the moment I realize that pay rise will never ever fix the issue, the pay rise illusion. Every year I will get a pay rise, the government, the minimum, that let's say £100. I would always sit down and I would think like, okay, I'm gonna get extra £100, so let me save that for holiday for whatever reason. But that's money because it's extra, because I managed to live with my salary. So now when I'm gonna get extra £100, I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna save it. And then I would even felt that I had an extra money coming on my account. And the worst thing is, it wasn't even that I was spending them after they will arrive. They didn't even landed on my account yet, and I already knew what I'm gonna spend. Okay, £100. Okay, so I'm gonna buy those extra trainers, I'm gonna upgrade my gym, I'm gonna make sure that I got the latest phone. They wasn't even there yet, and I already spent them all, if not even more than that. I remember one day, after already few of my pay rises I got, and I was sitting and I was like, okay, so it's time to go for holiday. I got a pay rise a few months ago. As I've been saving those money, I can easily go on holiday. I sat down, I look at my account, nothing has changed. The same empty account, same confusion, and same question. Where the heck are your money gone? What have you done with them? I couldn't connect the dots, like I couldn't understand the game of money. Like, how come I'm earning more and I'm not saving anything? How come I'm earning more and I'm not having any money? Like, is that all money game, is it just too difficult for me? I'm that stupid, brainless, I don't know. Like, where is the problem? What I don't see? There's something clearly wrong with me. So anyway, at the end of the day, what I had done, I put my holidays on the credit card. Then it took me like 6-7 months to pay that back, so I can go again for our next holiday and do the same, because I just didn't want to look stupid in front of my family. And I couldn't afford a stupid holiday. Whenever I was going for holiday to see my family or stuff, or even when I was talking with them about that, I was like, yeah, it's all good, everything is fine, you know, yeah, I got extra money, we got a pay rise, so yeah, it's everything fine and so on. But deep in my mind, I was bloody shy to admit that I don't have money. I was shy to go to stand in front of my friends or family and tell them that, look, I put those holidays on a credit card because I couldn't afford it from cash, where whoever will see that my salary and my spending should easily be like, how the heck are you going and throwing those money on the street or what? I was so freaking guilty, but I was hiding that behind a perfect mask. Don't worry, it's all good. everything is fine. So the pay rise will be never ever the fix, because the problem was never in the amount it was coming on my account. The problem was that I didn't have any visibility where my money are going, how much I'm spending on what, and you cannot fix something that you cannot see. And that's why exactly I built my application, because I didn't want to end up again in a situation like this. I want to see all my accounts in one place, all my spendings, all my bills, all my subscriptions. To have all that in one place, I will be even notified whenever the bill is on the way. Then I will never ever need to wonder and question myself, where is my pay rise gone? Where is that extra 50 or 100 pounds gone? And I will never ever need to go back and put my holidays on a credit card, and I will never ever need to feel that shame of going for holiday, pretending in front of my family and friends that it's all good, everything is fine, but deep behind I was bloody guilty and shy and ashamed of my stupidity. That's the visibility I needed in my 20s, and you can try it for free. Link will be down in the description. So 3 simple traps that keep making your salary disappear. 1, the status trap. The moment you're getting the pay rise, your lifestyles follow that. The second one, the invisible upgrades. Your existing bills as already and as well increasing quietly, slowly, behind, in a way that you hopefully you won't even notice them. And the third one, the pay rise illusion. Just because you're earning more money, it won't fix the issue if you don't know where is your money going. None of this is about how much you're earning, it's about the visibility, and the visibility is free.